What's up, everybody? I'm out here in full vacation mode. We hit the ground running and now we're in West Virginia. We got us a cabin, and as most of you probably understand and realize, it is difficult to keep on the keto lifestyle when you're on the road. Traveling, it's just so easy to stop at Hardee's or somewhere and get something to eat. But the first thing we did when we got to the cabin we're staying at was visited the local grocery store. So the goal is to stay on task and not go crazy. We've got food to eat this week. All of it's keto healthy, so stick around and I'll show you what we're going to be making. Note itself, starting my hiking adventure on a West Virginia trail to a waterfall probably wasn't the best idea. However, it's do or die. I can't just get Trish to drive the car down here and get me. I got to get back. So we'll get on out of here. So today we're starting out real simple. Just got some hamburgers flattened out, made into a hamburger steak. My favorite rub on it. We're gonna grill them up and eat them up. Get some flame rolling going. It's always tricky learning how to cook on somebody else's grill, but I got it, I think. Here's tonight's dinner. Cauliflower, broccoli, and a good old hamburger steak. Alright, this is going to be day 2 having pork. Let's throw it on the grill and eat some food. Hungry. So here's day number 2's dinner. A little bit of pork and the same side, but I don't get tired of sides that easy, so get ready to enjoy. Well, our last night on vacation, so we're gonna top it off with some good old ribeyes on the grill. Let's get it going. Been a long day of riding. All right, they're done. Let's get them on the table. All right, there's the last dinner of the vacation we're going to enjoy. See there? It's possible to do it. You just have to have the discipline to do it. I mean, we had steak, pork chops, hamburger steaks, a little bit of everything. And did not go hungry. Hey y'all, until next time, may the Lord bless you and y'all eat well.